Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator. First, ensure you have all the correct tools and the new regulator part ready. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's battery before starting any electrical work. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the entire process. Taking these initial steps will help ensure a smooth and safe repair. Next, we'll focus on removing the door panel. Begin by carefully locating and removing all screws and trim pieces that hold it in place. Once the fasteners are out, gently disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the window switches or other components. Finally, carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame, being mindful not to damage any clips. With the door panel removed, you can now access the old window regulator. Carefully unbolt and remove the entire assembly, including the motor. Then, position the new window regulator into place, making sure it aligns correctly with the window glass and mounting points. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the motor and perform a quick test to ensure the window moves smoothly. Now, carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all clips align and screws are tightened securely. Reconnect any electrical connectors you previously detached. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery and perform a thorough test of the window's operation to confirm everything works perfectly. For an even smoother home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your fully functional window.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.